Hi, good morning. Yeah, today I'm going to be connecting the Midas 32 mixer with the M32R mixer. This connection is commonly used for the front of house. So first of all, what I'm going to do the patching of the mixer, which means I'm going to start with the cabling. First, I'll link the AS50A to the DL32 engine A, and I'll link the M32R A to the DL engine B. Then the second step is to go to the mixer and make the patching right. One thing you want to do is you go straight to the routing. You make sure you patch everything to AS50 1 to 8 all the way to 32. Once that is done, the next thing you're going to do, you go to setup and make sure that this is the main, if this is your main mixer, make sure that the synchronization is on internal, and then you move straight to the M32R mixer. And now you do the same thing for the patching all the way to 32 also, the setup. Now here's where it gets funny. This can be your front of house mixer, and what you're going to do, you're going to make sure the synchronization is on AS50A. And once that is done, I want you to take a look at your DL engine. Now it's perfectly working. The best way to prove this to you is for the signal. Now I'm going to use this mic. This mic is currently patched on number 3. Now carefully look at the mixer. Hey, you can see green here, and come to this mixer also. Hey, you can see green. So these mixers are completely linked. Come, you see the green on the DL32 here, A is on green, and you come to this place, the A also on this DL is on green. So thank you folks for this. I hope you learned a lot from this video. You can hit the like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Good.